Hey everybody, it's Sherry at the Crafty Decorator. Happy Saturday, everybody. Guys, I'm just getting done with my eggs. Okay, these are the eggs that I told you from the Dollar Tree. There's this size, and then there's this big one. Whoops, I got paper stuck to me. Now, I had to paint them because we have to cover this green on the bottom. We had to cover this green on the bottom. Now, Hobby Lobby has this egg, which is like the same size, I think, as this little one from the Dollar Tree. Now, at Hobby Lobby, you get 2 of these eggs in a package, and I think it's like $1.74 because they're 40 off right now, Easter. But I did not see a big egg like this there. Okay, so I'm going to show you what I did. Okay. All right. Oh my gosh, you're gonna, I love these. Okay, here is the small egg. How cute is this, guys? Now, I didn't glue the duck down yet. There's the small one, and here's the big one. Now, I did the blue. I have to go shopping for things to put on top because I thought I had stuff. I don't have the right size stuff. This is from Hobby Lobby. I got this last year. They have them again this year. It was $1.99, and I probably bought it when it was 40 off or something. But they have these again this year. I'm going to show you what we're going to do. This little ducky here, he was from Michael's last year. And he was $6. And I know I got him on sale. And how crazy is that? But I think Hobby Lobby might have a smaller duck than this. I have to check. But we are going to go for dinner tonight. And I am going to the Christmas tree store. And I am going to see if they have anything cute. Because I did pink. Look, I did pink. And I want, I think, a cream rabbit or a lamb for the pink. But the yellow ducky looks cute on the pink, too. He looks cute on the pink. But I think I want a yellow, cream, something cream. A cream lamb or a cream bunny. I think I want something cream. I did this one, too. See this one? Okay, I'm going to show you now. All right, I'm not going to lie. Now, you can spray paint these. I didn't spray paint them because I thought I'm not going to have you go buy spray paint to match glitter. So everyone has craft paints. So I used for the pink, I used this touch of pink. You can use whatever pink you want. I used this pink and I used this glitter from Hobby Lobby in soft pink. It's extra fine glitter. That's what I used for the pink. For the blue, I had this Waverly chalk paint. I had this on hand. So this is from Walmart, and it's in the color Pool. So I used that, and I used this glitter from Hobby Lobby that is aqua, and it's the fine glitters. That's what I used for the blue. Okay, it took me like 4 coats of paint to cover the color, like to cover that green. It took like 4 coats of paint. Now, I'm not sure if you spray paint, if it will take less, but I thought I would stick with just craft paint so you wouldn't have to go buy spray paints. So, say you painted now 4 coats of paint. Then what you're going to want, I just used Elmer's glue, guys. I just used Elmer's glue. And all I did was brush my egg with Elmer's glue. I just slop it on there. I know I'm messy. Okay, let's see. I just put a bunch and spread it out. I try to work fast so it doesn't dry quick. You can probably do just a part of the egg at a time, but I just did it all. And I just put glue. Okay. Then the glitter. And I just dump it on. And I use a paper plate because then I can just squeeze the plate and put it back in my jar. Whoop. Trying to keep it on the plate. With a little green showing there. Okay. Okay, then you're going to set this aside. You're going to set your 2 halves aside to dry. And I'm going to put my glitter back into my jar. See, use a paper plate. And then it just goes right back in your jar so you don't waste it. And close this up. Okay. I'm so full of glitter. I am so full of glitter, guys. Okay. After your 2 halves are dry, you're going to connect them together. Now, I do not like this line. So I decided ribbon. And let's see. This is the ribbon I used on the big blue and one of the big pink ones. This is from Hobby Lobby. So it was $2.50 on sale. It was $2.50 on sale. So all you're going to do, I want to cover this seam. So I am just going to add hot glue on the seam. I want to make sure I get it on the right way. Okay. And I am going to put this right at the center. And you're just going to glue around. I didn't look to see what size the egg was on Amazon. It was $35, guys. $35. Okay. This ribbon I had, the only thing I bought was the eggs and the flowers are from the Dollar Tree. I'll show you what we're using how we use the flowers. And I did buy the glitter. All the other stuff I had. I always stock up on ribbon, so I always have ribbon. I always have ribbon. Okay, before I glue the end, I always cut. Okay. Set that to the side. Okay, there you go. See how these eggs are flat on the bottom? So they sit. Isn't it cute? It's so cute. Okay, so for the top, on the Amazon one, I thought maybe they used crepe paper. You know how you buy for like your birthday or something, it's like a ribbon or a crepe paper medallion thing that you wear. That's kind of what it looked like. But my aunt, I bought crepe paper. I was going to try to sew. Like, you could do that. So, like a flower type of thing and put it on top. But my aunt said, why bother? Why not just use flowers? So Dollar Tree, guys. Dollar Tree is what I did. So all I did was pull these apart. You take your flower off and you pull it apart. Now, I'm not sure. This one, I got to see if I should just use the small ones. Because I used the big ones on the big pink ones. Just pull it apart so you take all this plastic out of there. Then you just have your petals. Now let me see. I'm not sure if that's going to be too big. Let me see. This might be a smaller one. There's like 2 sizes on this bush. But you're going to need 2 flowers. This looks big too, huh? Oh, let's just see. Let's just see. I don't want big ones. I need those for the big ones. Let's see. Okay, this one I think is better. I'll use these 2. Pull 2 flowers apart. Okay, there's one. All right, so what I did was take my first flower. Okay, you're gonna add glue to the center of your egg. Can you see me? Add hot glue to the center of your egg, and then put your flower on there. Push down on it so the glue like goes through the flower. If some of it's not gluing down, just add a little glue underneath and push down on it. Okay, there's one. Then I'm going to add this smaller one in the center. Not a lot of petals on that one, though. That's enough. Okay. So then I just add to the middle of these flowers. Just a drop there. And then I lay this down. Gotta make sure before it dries all the way that I have it good. Okay, see the flowers? Instead of the crepe tissue paper stuff and have to be sewing a bow type of thing, I just did the flowers. It's so much easier. Okay, I'm gonna set this aside. Now, I wanted a bow for the center of it. I have not one like plain cream ribbon, but I'm liking this. I'm liking this with it. This is also from Hobby Lobby. This is on sale, $2 a roll. And all I do is make a bow. You want it kind of long enough so it's going to hang down. So I am just going to make a bow. Not sure if I don't think I have it long enough. It's a little curly. Okay. I'm just making a bow, a plain bow. All right, let me see if I'm going to have it long enough. You want to put the bow in the center. Yeah, I don't want it too long. I'm not even though with the gotta turn this so it's facing forward. Okay. All right, now I need to cut this off. All right. Now I'm just going to glue my bow in there. I got to get a sheep or a bunny so I could hook it onto these. Okay. There's my bow on top. See, I just made a simple little bow and connected it in top there. That's what I did with the big one, the big blue one. Now the big blue one, I did 3 yellow flowers because my yellow flowers aren't as big. So I glued like one here, and then one in the center. And then I put the bow on there. Now, I like the ducky in this one. So I think the blue is getting the ducky. So all you would do is glue your whatever you're putting in the center down. So I am just going to glue him in there. I'm going to hold him down for a second to make sure he sticks. Got strings. Okay. Okay, he's good. There's my, I think it's so stinking cute. Okay, let me do the little one here. I'm going to glue this little guy down in there. Maybe I'll just add glue to the bottom of his feet. Okay. Let's see how I want him in there. Okay. You can do whatever colors you want, guys. Whatever colors. Okay. All the other bunnies and stuff I had were like kind of too big. They were just too big. It's got to just be the right size. But how cute is he? You could probably even, that baby chicks we are making, I bet you can put a baby chick in there. I bet. Oh my goodness, look. A baby chick would fit, and I didn't finish my muslin chicks yet, but one of our baby chicks would fit in there. Oh, goodness. Maybe I need to do baby chicks. Let's see if the middle one would fit. See, now that one's kind of big, I think. I don't know. I'm not sure if he's too big or not. I'm not sure. Oh, goodness, though. How cute, right? Oh, Lordy. Okay. I know, I get a little crazy. All right, now let me move this out of the way because I want to show you what else I was thinking. Okay, I was kind of thinking these candle holders from the Dollar Tree. These are the ones I used in my, a long time ago when I made for Thrifty Thursday, the bump pan wreath or candle holder for the center of the table. I used that a couple times. I was thinking this to go under here, but it's kind of too big. It's kind of too wide. See how it shows the space? So here's the other Dollar Tree ones, the glass one. So you can do this. Let me see if you can see. So you can put that. You can, if you want them higher. This one is from Goodwill. And this one's a little shorter and a little chunkier. I kind of like the chunkier look. I don't know. I kind of like the chunky. I kind of like the chunkier look, guys. So be on the lookout for some chunky short candle holders. I don't know. I'm going to the Christmas tree store. So, okay. So here they are, guys. I hope you like to make these. The Dollar Tree eggs. Are they not the cutest thing? Dollar Tree eggs, Dollar Tree flowers. Maybe they're going to get some stuff out you can use for the top from the Dollar Tree. Or you can make our little chicks and use them on there. And ribbon, paint, glitter. That's it, guys. And glue. If you like this idea, if you like my little egg idea, just sprinkle. And today is Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Monday, I'm going to pick someone to win these cute little eggs. I'm going to pick somebody to win these eggs. How cute are they? You're going to get these little ducky eggs. And you can decide what you want to do with them. But I am loving them. He's a little wobbly, but he's glued on there. Okay. All right. Thanks for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this little egg video. And, oh, you can get these, too. These are at Hobby Lobby. These are at Hobby Lobby. These are good for the little ones also. These little chickies. There's bunnies. And there's a little lamb. Wait, before I get off, let's see what this little lamb looks like on this small. Oh, see? I need cream. Oh, look how cute he looks on there. Look how cute he looks on there. Oh, gosh. If they have a big one like this, because I kind of like them to match, that would be really cute. Guys, look how cute that is. Okay. All right. I got to see if they have a big one of these, or if I could find something at Christmas tree store. Okay, guys, thanks for joining me. I'll talk to y'all later. Have a good dinner. Bye.